This is the 7th time I've recorded this thing already. Let's hope this time it actually works. Hey guys, it's me, HelloCris. Today I'm bringing you guys a kind of different video. We're going to do an unboxing and testing of this Keshigomu or Japanese eraser kit. This is the kit, as you can see here. This one is Disney theme, but the one that I have is actually Sanrio theme, which is the company that makes Hello Kitty characters. I found the same one that I have on Japan Hobby, which is a website that I'm pretty sure closed down because everything is out of stock. So you can see everything and all the prices, but everything is out of stock. And the price on this website was of 2,805 yens, which would translate to 23 euros 74 cents. I gotta say, Japan is pretty expensive, so everything that you want to buy, keep that in mind. So now let's try this thing. Before starting the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's get started. So first thing first, this is the box. It's all in Japanese, of course. And here I am opening it. So this is how it looks on the inside. This is an eraser that I already made to test out this product before recording it. So here are the instructions, of course. They are in Japanese, with some kind of drawings, but as I wasn't able to understand it, I found a video from the YouTuber Nerdy Crafter, which he already tried this kit beforehand, so I was able to know which timings, as she had already translated everything. So here's this weird waffle maker in which we'll be making the erasers. There's also some pliers, some plastic pliers, and there's some pieces in case you want to make a tinier eraser. Here are some of the templates that you can find. They are all Sanrio characters, as you can see. So what else? Here we have these transparent plastic pieces, which are heat resistant. Here are the eraser pieces, which I have already used some of them, so that's why they're empty. And here's the cat template that I'm going to use. Now this is gonna go really fast, so I had to separate the pieces beforehand. And now here I am building it, and you will probably see that I mess up so many times because you really need to have some really good equilibrium for that. Equilibrium, is that how it's said? Well, anyways, it took me 45 minutes to do this thing, so have lots of patience, put on a movie or put on your favorite TV series because it's gonna take a while. Now you press everything together, you add a teaspoon of water, half teaspoon, spread it around, and then another half teaspoon and spread it around, and then you put it in the microwave for 80 seconds. After that, let it cool down for a while and then take it out. As you can see, there's a little bit of water, it's just a little bit wet. I don't know if it's because I added too much water, I guess, I really don't know, but be careful with that. Here I am taking out these plastic heat resistant pieces so I can take out the eraser, which here it is. I'm still taking out some pieces and that's it. Okay, that was quick. So here's the eraser, which I did this weird scary drawing to test it out. So this is this weird, really weird cat drawing. I really don't know what it is, but I just made it to test it out, and it actually works pretty well. But I just kind of feel sad of all the hard work that I had to be putting myself through, that now I have to use it as an eraser, so I kind of just have it as decoration. And that's pretty much it. So this one was a really quick video because, as I said, it was going to take a longer while. So that's pretty much it. If you enjoyed it, if you want to see more videos like this one, don't forget to like and subscribe. And comment down below if I kind of messed up anything, or if you have already tested it out, just leave your opinion below for those who want to test it out too. So see you guys on my next video. Bye bye!